Here it is. The heavy wind. That's right. The heavy wind. Here it is. The heavy wind. That's right. The heavy wind. Here it is. The heavy wind. That's right. The heavy wind.
It has nothing to do with, like, I can open the door perfectly fine, but if I take one and it just, like, doesn't start moving right away, I'm like, what is going on?
Look at all the leaves scattering in the wind. And the trees blowing in the wind. There you have it, over and out. The heavy wind. That's right. Fall is here in every way. Fall is here and here to stay. Autumn, the autumn leaves falling from the trees. There you have it, over and out. The heavy wind. That's right. The heavy wind. Like us on YouTube and subscribe. That's right. Like us on YouTube and subscribe. The heavy wind. That's right. The heavy wind.